Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Valentine's Love inspired cutie girl. So let's get started. To draw this sweet girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about right here and draw another circle. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. There. Now that the eye is in, let's go ahead and spruce them over some lashes. So about right here, I'm just going to put in two, one, and another one. So same thing over here, and two. Just make it a little bit thicker. There. And then from there, let's go above each eye, and we're just going to draw a soft curve. So about right here, just going to draw a curve over each eye. So same thing on the other side, about right here. There. And then let's give her a sweet smile, of course. So in between, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve going up slightly and cap it off. Then from there, let's frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, close to these lashes, and I'll just say about right here, give myself a point. And same thing over here. Then I'm going to go ahead and just start drawing a curve around her eye. And we're going to bring it down to the center. So come about right here, come down and say about right here. Give myself a point. I'm just kind of imagining how far I want her chin to go. And then I'm going to go ahead and create a curve. So her jawline, and bring it in towards your point. And same thing over here. Jaw and curve it in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and bring this up a little bit more towards her brow. Then from there, let's draw her ears. So I'm going to come close to her eye, next to her eye, about right here, and we're just going to draw a curve coming in. Same thing over here. And then let's draw her hair. So I'm going to have her hair have some bangs and it's going to be to the side. So I'm just kind of imagining an oval. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And I'm going to start with some curves. So 1, 2, and then we're just going to get lower, and 3, and we're just going to bring a curve out. And just bring this up, and then on this side, 1 and 2, and flare it out. There. Okay, so then from there we're going to come up. So this is where her hair part. So let's say about right here, and we're going to bring this down the side of her hair, and this part is going to go up, and we're going to go up and then come around to about here. There. Okay, so then from there, if you like, you can add a bow. And if you want to do that, I'm just going to pop this in right here, center area. I'm just going to draw the center of my bow, come out for the loops. Just going to rest it on top so I don't have to erase anything. And same thing here. And the ends. And same thing here, one more. There, to give her a bow if you like. And you can put in some hearts in there if you like as well, since this is Valentine's inspired. There's some hearts there, here and there. Okay, so there. From there, let's go ahead and let's finish her hair a little bit later. I'm going to come back in this area and we're going to draw some detail. I'm going to put a curve right there and a circle right here for some earrings. We're going to bring it straight down and then I'm going to add a heart. And then another circle. So same thing on this other side. So if you think I'm putting too many hearts, I'm overdoing it, definitely don't put yours. Don't put hearts. But figure why not just give her some earrings, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her body. We're going to come to the center and give her a little neck. And then bring it out to about right there. And I'm going to stop right there because we need to draw the strap for her dress. So I'm going to come, let's see here, just come out a little bit, come down at an angle, come down at an angle, and about right here, I'm just going to cut it off. Yeah, the curve. Then come back in here for her shirt, draw a curve. Another curve, and then we're going to bring this down more and then come back up here and we're just going to draw the strap. So thicken it up and same thing here, pop it out, thicken it up and put a little circle right here for a button. Then from there, let's come out. So this is, say, about right here. I'm just going to draw an angle line out. So this is the beginning of her dress. Then from there, let's see here. Let's come down a little bit more. We're going to come back right here and just imagine her shoulder. So it's going to come out and we're going to draw a sleeve. And about right there, I'll bring it in. And same thing here. Just going to drag this across, make sure. The same height and connect, and a little detail here. Then from there, we're having her hands together holding a big heart. So I am just imagining her hands are coming through here. So I'm going to come down a little bit more with this line. So I'm going to use that and have her arm come through. We're going to bend it, elbow, bend this, bring this in. So same thing on the other side. Just want to be at the same level, about right there. Bring her arm in towards the center. Right here, elbow, and in. Okay, so then from there, we're just going to bring this down and we're going to aim for the center. So come down and draw a thumb. So just remember, don't pass the center, but we're aiming for the center. So this is about my center, about right there for finger. And we're just going to bring this in and connect. So same thing here. The thumb and the fingers. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to still continue this dress out. So hopefully I helped you with that and didn't make it too complicated. And we're going to come out. And now that we're about the same height, we're going to go ahead and just connect it. With a curve going down and back up. And I'm just going to put in some detail. I'm going to follow my dress. Okay, so then from there, let's come back up and we're going to draw a big heart into this area. So I just want to make sure the bottom of my heart is right here, the tip, the bottom tip. So this is going to come up about right here. And I'm just going to curve so that she's holding as big of a heart as possible. There. And then if you like, you can draw in some more details for her dress, maybe here. The top of her dress. You can put in a little pocket if you like. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs. Let's find the center, and we're going to go to the left, go to the right. From there, I'm going to go ahead and just slightly draw an angle line coming in. So about right there. Same thing here. About right there. And then I'm going to come out about right here and thicken it up. And we're going to get a little bit narrower as we come down for her ankle. About right there. And then we're going to cut it off. For socks, cut it off again, and then bring it out for her shoe. And just connect it. So then for some details, the bottom, draw a curve right here and 2 lines and the laces. So same thing on the other side. About right here. There. Okay, so finally have her shoes in, and then now we can go back and finish her beautiful hair. So I'm just going to bring this down and then just wobble all the way down. And in. And let's see here. I can kind of flare this out. But that is pretty much it, I think. I'm missing anything. If you want, you can even put a tiny little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Valentine's inspired cutie girl. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you love this cute girl and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.